I know we're all really mindful of the pasta we eat these days. It seems like everyone's on like carb alert. You don't want to be eating too much pasta. But I'm telling you, this pasta that I'm going to make for you today is a must do. First off, it's using one of my favorite pasta shapes, which is rigatoni, which means when you have a really yummy sauce, when you bite down on that cooked rigatoni, you have like an explosion of sauce in your mouth. So it's really more about the sauce than it is actually about the pasta. And what makes this sauce special today that I'm doing is I'm adding in some creme fraiche. So making it a little bit more creamy than just a tomato sauce, but overall, really simple dish. This is one of my absolute favorites, or what I like to call now, my rigatoni della casa. I hope you enjoy. Looks good, right? I mean, pasta, tomato sauce, creme fraiche, ooey gooey mozzarella. Can't really go wrong with that. One thing I will note with this recipe, I use creme fraiche. You really cannot substitute sour cream for it. You need that high fat content so that it doesn't split when you heat up the sauce. Make the effort to find the creme fraiche. Trust me, it also adds a ton of great tangy flavor. Worth going to that extra effort for it. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, happy cooking.